Since 1979, Tucson Rolling Shutters and Screens has been enhancing homes and outdoor spaces with innovative retractable products, all proudly manufactured right here in Tucson. From our humble beginnings as a small husband and wife operation to becoming a leading manufacturer of retractable screens and shades, we've built our reputation on hard work, integrity, and exceptional customer service. Today, every product is crafted with precision and care, designed to enhance comfort, beauty, and lifestyle, giving you the perfect blend of shade and scenery. Whether you're enjoying panoramic views or relaxing with loved ones around the fire, our retractable screens create the perfect indoor-outdoor experience at the touch of a button. Backed by over 4 decades of innovation, we're proud to be the sun protection experts trusted by homeowners across Tucson. Call today for your free estimate and see how Tucson Rolling Shutters and Screens can transform your home.